Hi guys! Welcome back! I can finally say that kasi meron tayo mga previous videos na pinanggaling-galing nyo na tayo ay active. Let's go!
Ganyan pag nakalako
Ay, ko siya. Today is Monday and I was going to start a spend the week with me vlog or like a weekly vlog, and I forgot to vlog today, but the day hasn't ended yet. So I look very pretty talaga. Pero yes, I decided that I'm pretty. Okay? Na-establish na natin. What am I saying? Ako ay social butterfly for today's video because I socialized. I met with my friend Jad. We had milk tea, and then after that I had dinner with my friend Caitlin and her fiancé Justin. Had a great time. For this vlog, I decided na buong week yung papakita ko sa inyo kasi hindi ko alam anong format ang gusto niyo, day in my life ba o weekly. I filmed a TikTok recreating Sabrina Carpenter's makeup look. That's why we are glowing to the gods. Very exciting thing I gotta do tonight is clean up my vanity. Round of applause. I will clean up my vanity. I actually spent the entire day cleaning today and I want to stay on top of it para hindi dumami yung clutter and everything. This is my situation right now. Let me show you. Tada! Alam mo, believe it or not, meron pang mas nalala dyan. You haven't seen anything yet. This is level 1. Level 1 pa lang yan, girl. After I get ready with you, uuwi ako na para bilagyan ang aking konda. But we are trying to be a better person. Let's clean. All clean. Are you proud of mommy? Huh? Are you proud of mommy? Huh? You're so cute. You're the cutest boy in the entire world. Huh? Jad is here.
When I have like a lot of hair parts in my hair, like
Sabi niya may kain siya pero hindi naman pala niya gusto yung food ko.
Hindi, makikikain talaga ako.
Okay, I'm going to the gym now. Ako ay magpapaka-gym burat. Iwanan ko na muna si Jad dito.
Babysitting the cat.
Babysitting, pero may kailangan lang talaga yan dito. Kaya nila.
Ano?
Give me a big boy season. He's gonna be a big boy. The biggest boy. I'm gonna wear this New Balance shoes na may mga nagtatanong, it's 2002R. Apparently, this is a running shoe. Ayun, binili ko siya for the design, and then I think someone on my TikTok was like, is this the Chumburu Kumburu ano? And then I read it. New Balance running. Girl, I have running shoes. Nauna ang running shoes ko kasi sa interest ko mag-run. Everyone is running. Ano dyan? Makikiuso ba tayo?
Pwede. Ay, gusto namin mag-ano, Rockwell Run Club.
Wait, ano yun?
Send ko sa'yo.
Magkano?
Ano lang siya, ewan ko may membership fee, parang wala naman. Pupunta ka lang dun, magtatakbo kayo sabay-sabay.
Gusto ko mag-tennis. Is that an expensive, expensive?
Pero di ako marunong.
Ako, hindi rin ako marunong. Is that an expensive, hobby? Like golf? Hey! Nang?
Joke nila dito pag nagtatakbo sila. Shake.
Yeah, for the gains.
Okay, sumisiksik ako dito kasi cloud chaser ako. Mas na ito may video. Noon akong klaseng tao. Ayun, more pa na protein.
Oo. Wala, ano lang. Snack lang.
Yung naglilip. I-devour ko lang sa'yo.
Request ni kaibigan si Janica.
Gusto ko yung, ate, hindi ka nang ikot yan.
Oh,
I-press mo lang to.
sorry. Ah, babo. Sabi ka na.
Hindi yan. Paano yan?
Iharap dito.
Gunangin na.
Ate ko naman.
Hello! Kain tayo, guys.
Let's eat.
Kay, ano to eh, kay Jed.
Hindi ka nagsasos.
Hindi ako nagsasos.
Ang weird niya.
Uy, kamo pa.
Anak mo.
Nabubudol si Jod sa kanya.
Matimi ka, di ba nakakabudol?
Yung ano?
Yung
Jod,
palm.
camera kayo.
Parang ang bilis-bilis.
So I'm getting ready because I'm going out with my friends, Jad and Mika.
Man, the movie.
So how was it?
I like it. I like sci-fi and stuff, but I feel like it's too short. There's a big cliffhanger. But I like the sci-fi stuff.
Isn't that not? That's not the first Planet of the Apes, diba?
Third one, Bobby.
Yeah. How is it still beaten? It's the third one. I was gonna say something mean. Like, I remembered you're my boyfriend.
Same.
I was like, don't you see that every time you look in the mirror?
You funny. Like, if I want to see a monkey, I would just FaceTime you. Oh.
Wow, that was a good one.
What's up, Dad?
Hi.
Dior ba yan?
Oh.
Taray.
Pero from Japan.
Bakit mo ko
Twisted.
dinay-Dior? Ay, magdi-Dior ako!
Go! That's Sabrina.
I'm Sabrina. You don't know?
Sabrina.
Carpintero. Sabrina Carpintero.
Really good thing.
Yun yung mga hindi mo gets na joke ko, babe. That's why I have to train you. I just said something funny din la. Dito ka ba tayo, yung kanal humor?
Hindi siya. Aircon shot eh.
Aircon show. Makeup is done. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair be kasi baka mag-cap ako. But, I am gonna wear a new bag. Noodle ako ni Jad dito. This is a vintage Dior bag. I'm so excited to wear. I'm gonna wear this a lot para ma-ROI ko siya. But tonight's theme sa labas namin is Y2K. I don't have a lot of Y2K stuff, pero I feel like this is a little bit Y2K. I itsura niya. It's so pretty. And I don't know if it matches. Parang feeling ko hindi. I look...
It does.
No, it doesn't. I look...
No. How about those pants that Rachel wear? It's like it flares.
This one, this is it. Okay, with the bag. I am not 100% happy with my outfit, but I think we're about to leave. I look like a college student about to drink, which I am. Hello.
Hi, vlog.
Kami Diba, ako pa una kumain siya yung gutom. Booming.
Nakaroon na kami.
Ang tagal niya dyan. Lagi hinihintay. Kamukhain natin nakakahiya si Jad.
Sige, okay.
Palagi siyang hinihintay ng barkada. Hindi, siya pala may maayos sa camera dyan.
Yan ako may picture sa atin to. Eh no, Jod, alam mo, mahal na mahal
Jad,
ka.
alam mo,
Lagi ko
kahit
hinihintay.
gano'ng katagal.
Ganyan pag naka-video ah.
Pakita
Pag-hawak
mo.
ka camera.
Ay,
Ah,
dati
pag-hawak
nag-gatekeep ka
camera.
pala ng mga... Guys, sorry, i-blur natin niya kasi ginag-gatekeep niya yung gadgets.
Kasi kami ni Ate Mika. Pag nalaman nyo, try nga natin to.
Ito hindi namin gatekeep. Link in bio.
Sabi, bakit may umuunat-ulat na sa likod mo?
Dapat kasi alas 4 yun ako ginising.
Ate ko. Wala, hindi ko na alam paano ibalik.
Pagana ko na ito dati, from...
Hindi ko na alam paano ibalik.
Wala, bakit na siya?
Ilagay mo na lang dyan. Huwag mo na ano si
Ay, okay. Sorry, wala tayong pang Chanel. Pasensya ka na, Mika, ha?
Hindi. Lovely ko nagigay para di wala mo ni Jod. Baka nagka-crease eh.
Grabe ka naman!
Yeah, we're ordering.
Hi vlog! Pinaglakad nila ako.
Hoy, pinag-grab ka ni Jad.
Wala kang book eh! Lipat pa sa'yo.
Uy, mag-choose daw kayo dito. May food highlight daw.
All for me.
Nagpapasa-pasa.
Group Na to.
Guys, it's giving Last Supper ang aming pagkain. Ang dami. Oh, sige, gagawin natin reality show ang vlog ko
Gagaslight mo pa ako na sinabi niya.
Nag-aaway sila.
Sinabi ko talaga yun eh.
Kung sinabi mo nga ba't hindi ko nga alam, ako makakalimutin, ending nag-gaslight pa ako.
Oo naman. Sinabi,
Hoy, lalagay ko to
sabi mo pa nga saan Pampanga.
Sa lahat ako yung pinaka hindi makakalimutin sa atin.
Ikaw man lang kakalimutan.
I have a friendship bracelet from Mika. Holy ground. Kasama ko ang mga Asoka Challenge Queen. Jajari.
May live Asoka performer dito.
Jari pa. Ito, OG. Send yan. Let's angle.
Ayan, ayan.
Oh, go. Send. I-reveal mo na. Send. Paano ba yun? May pan-right pa siya. Oo. Tapos yung mata lang.
O, di parang hindi lang matay. Parang iris lang.
Lunchtime. This is what I'm having. Some leftover shrimp. This is so good. I love it. And then some shirataki rice, beauty milk, vinegar. Wow.
Heading business. You're right. I'll try to be more present.
Pour myself a big tumbler of scotch and tell Dee Dee it was over. But on the way out, we made one last feather. Maybe I just chickened out. But I realized that staying with my kids was more important than leaving.
Hello so much.
Hello po.
Welcome back to our vlog.
Nag-week in my life ako, tapos parang sobrang boring ng week ko. This is my long distance bestie. Kami ay nalulungkot kasi wala kami matawag kumain.
Mga sad girls.
Sad girls kami kasi long distance. Takin na pa. What do you have to say for yourself? You are so zoomed in right now. You will see her soon. We will have a wine night.
Yeah, we will have wine night and we will have steak.
True, para pa kami din naliligo. Guess anong oras na? Nag-expose. Oh my gosh, guys. Dumating na yung Meralco bill ko. Hinihintay ko talaga to kasi a lot of my friends who live in the same area. Sobrang nagmahal yung kuryente nila. So, let's see. My kuryente last month is 5K. Acceptable for me ang 8K. More than that, I will freak. Oh my gosh. Hala ka. Bakit nag-toys? Wait, let me see my consumption. Because last month, my consumption... Oh, nagdoble din ang aking consumption. Last month, my consumption is 400 kilowatts per hour. Now, it's 800. Oh my gosh. Ang init kasi ng panahon, guys. Kasi, before, sobrang hinala ng aircon ko. Ngayon, tinataasan ko na. Oy, magtitipid. 10,000. I can't. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Gagarmat natin to. Kesa ma-heat stroke tayo na mas mahal. Ganito na lang. Diba? It's Thursday na. And I'm getting ready for my event. I have an event with this luxury seller, Sisi Maricar. I'm wearing the top na hinol ko sa isa nating vlog, A Day in My Life. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. But yeah, it's really cute kasi it's a resort. Why can't I think of... It's a resort venue. Oh my God, bakit di ko naisip yun? Si Bubu. I've done my skin prep already. And I'm actually have to film a couple more TikToks before I go. So I can enjoy my vacation very well. We're on our way to our event. I'm with Jan. O, diba? Pool na pool ang kanyang itsura. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, guys, kasi mabilisin talaga. But I just had to get shoes real quick. Yun talaga ang pinaka-ano ko na. Laging rush ko ginagawa. Shoes. Kasi hindi ako ma-hoard ng shoes. Actually, clothes, hindi rin ako ma-hoard. Unlike Jan, na dami niyang bangko. Japanese ba asawa niya?
Ano ba sa IG story? Gumising siya, di ba? Hindi sila surprise siya na Hermes.
We're here! Wala pa.
Malapit
pa lang. Malapit pa lang kami. At nakatulog ako. And hindi ako maka-work na maayos. Kasi ang sakit ang pasan ko, guys. Walang kwenta yung may phenolic na ininom ko. Pero whatever. I will fake it. Sana pagdating ko din ako ay ma-overwhelm at mag-kick in ang aking adrenaline at hindi siya sumakit.
Kaya isa na tayo ang pinakauna pala, no?
Kuyog naman. Having pizza, Grumpy Joe. Na-miss ko to. Uso to sa Baguio.
May ganun sa Baguio?
Galing Baguio talaga to. Original brand. So good.
But sobrang itim ko sa camera na.
Like, mas na-enjoy ko. I mean, before, ganito naman. Tapos, parang na-enjoy ko naman siya. Pero, alam ko.
That's what we're having. Wow.
Hindi ko alam kung yung pangalan.
Lahat ng traffic. Kailang alam ko. Hindi ko pa nga magawa ng maayos. Kaya kung di nag-gulay ng ganito, te.
Totoo ba? I love cats, pero the maintenance.
Para hindi mabakit. Okay, this is how I'm able to go out ng maraming cats. I can monitor them right here, and my cat sitter ako right now. I can see what they're doing. This camera has been so helpful, especially when wala akong sitter before. Monitor ko sila, and I also have automatic feeder. Really, really good. I'll put the link below. Hi guys! So I'm on my way home now. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa event na yun. They were so accommodating. Basically, I don't know a lot of people, but I've met other influencers there, creators, artists, and ang saya-saya. Nahihiya na ako mag-vlog because ayokong isipin nilang ginagamit ko sila for clout. Alam mo, I'm very careful with that as a starting creator. Gusto ko silang maging friend. I have here a goodie bag from the event. They were so nice to give me something. I wasn't expecting anything, but oh my gosh! Oh my god, this is something I would buy. Alang ganda. It's a Coach pochette bag. Wala, ate ko, ang ganda. If you guys are looking for designer sellers, she's a seller from Japan. So, ang dami niya mga magagandang vintage bags, jewelries, mga diamonds, ganyan. I will leave her IG on the description box. You guys can check it out. But anyway, guys, I think I'll end the vlog here na kasi that's my week. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go spend time with my family in Tarlac. Yeah, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.